Happy holidays, everyone! So I thought I'd do something a little different for my Christmas video this year because I wanted to try and challenge myself with something that I'm not necessarily very good at, but I'd like to give it a go. See, I'm good at baking, I'm good at cooking, I'm kind of an all-rounder in the kitchen, but there's one thing I'm not very good at, and that is, well, decorating. You'll notice I do a lot of cakes and things like that on the channel, but I don't do a lot of that elaborate cake decorating or cupcakes with the fancy swirls or any of that sort of stuff. The main reason is because I'm just no good at it. I think I'm genetically designed to never be able to do these things. I actually went to a 2-day cupcake decorating course a couple of years ago, and just between you and me, my cupcakes were so ugly that they actually gave me a partial refund on the fee for the class because, yeah, they felt they failed. So, I'm not the greatest decorator, but I thought one thing I would love to do that I've never done before is to decorate a traditional Christmas gingerbread house. Now, I'm not going to try and bake it from scratch because it's really elaborate and there's no real shortcuts to doing that until I found this. It's a ready assembled gingerbread house that all you have to do is take it out of the box, and it's even got all the decorating stuff inside ready to go. And I thought, how could this possibly go wrong? Famous last words. So I'm going to give this a go and see what happens, and hopefully I won't ruin Christmas. So let's try decorating a traditional Christmas gingerbread house on the One Pot Chef. This is going to be a disaster. Okay, so I've unpacked the box, and so we've got a pre-assembled gingerbread house, which is surprisingly intact actually, because I had to really dig through these at the shop to find one that wasn't broken. And it comes with obviously the assembled house. It's got a pipe and bag of icing, it's got some Gummi Bears and some little chocolate candy things to decorate with. Now, first things first, looking at this doesn't look like anywhere near enough icing to do an entire cake, especially when you look at the back of the box. I don't know if I can get this on camera or not. This is not going to be one of my slicker productions, but if you look at the house on the box there like that, and then look at the amount of icing you've got, this is clearly not right. So, I don't know. See what we can do. So, let's follow the instructions on the box and hope there's instructions. First instruction is place the icing bag for... what? Place the icing bag for approximately 5 minutes in warm water. Okay, I can do that. Okay, so I'm going to pop this in a glass with some warm water in it. I'm not quite sure why I'm doing this because it seems super soft already, so I don't know, maybe the warm water will make it expand and make it into more icing? Is that a science thing? Step 2, remove the icing bag from the water and dry. Oh, okay. This... oh my, okay. Oh. This is exactly the same as it was when I put it into the water. It doesn't seem softer in any way. I don't quite understand why I had to do that. Maybe it's meant for colder climates, I'm not sure. That's strange. Step 3, knead the icing bag to soften it up for approximately 2 minutes. I don't think it's going to get much softer than it currently is, but okay. I'm giving it a good kneading. Okay, if this icing gets any softer, it's going to turn into a vapour. I don't know how much more kneading I could possibly do on this. I don't think it needed kneading to begin with, but okay. I think it's sufficiently kneaded. Step 4, cut the icing bag tip approximately 0.5 centimetres. Okay, so that would be there roughly. There we go, okay. Right, step 5, apply icing to the pre-built house and decorate with candies. Well, thanks Captain Obvious, that's real helpful. That's literally the last instruction. It's not telling me how to apply the icing or in what way, it's just saying just do it. Okay. Well, I've got a very, very small picture to guide me on this one, so I'll do my best, I guess. Okay, so let's see. I suppose I should start on this outer wall, I guess. So what does that look like? There's like a sort of outline on the outside of it, so I guess I can start there. I'm going to have to squeeze this icing down to the bottom because it's all up the top for some reason. This is bloody awful. I'll do the outline of the house first. Ah, it's not sticking to the... Why is it being... I don't like this. Okay. Well, this is sticking better than it was, but... Oh, no, it's not. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Now it's falling off. That's not good. Okay, so let's try this again. This is the most garbage icing, like seriously. Okay. Ugh. I'm noticing very quickly that there is clearly not enough icing to do what it says on the box, so I'm kind of trying to be a bit economical with the icing because I don't think I'm going to get everything done on this. So, no! Get off the Christmas tree. I'm not doing you yet. Oh, God. Excuse my fingers, but I'm terrified of wasting this icing at this point. Okay, I've done the border, and I'm almost out of icing. This is kind of annoying. Okay. I'm going to try and do my little man here. There's icing on top of the tree, because it snowed on the top of the tree and nowhere else apparently, because that's gravity. So the front lawn, according to the box, looks like it's kind of glazed with the icing, but I don't see how to do that unless I put kind of a big splodge of it on the front, like so. I'll try and spread it out with the back of a spoon maybe. That could make it look like it's snowed everywhere. Oh God, this is terrible. Oh no! Oh, what have I done? That's so not what's on the front of this. Okay, it's sleet, it's not snow. Okay. I'm Australian, I don't know what snow is. I don't have enough icing to do both sides of this, so I'm going to do one side and hope for the best. So I'm going to try and... Oh dear. Oh dearie me. No, this is not right at all. This is the ugliest thing. I command you to... Don't you do that. That's better. I'm so not gonna... Oh no! No, I command you. Okay, the front window's like a clock, so I've got to do dots around it. Oh wow, this... Oh... This isn't a gingerbread house, this is like a gingerbread crack house. What is... Oh God, that looks terrible. Oh dear, okay. I think I've got just enough icing to do the other side if I'm economical with it. Oh, that looks unco... Oh God! I think my nozzle's clogged. Trying to put a bit more snow on the ground out the front, but it's still looking a bit... Ugh. Alright, time to decorate with our candies as best as I can. Stick on, you vicious... Oh, there we go. Get on there, I command you. This is a total mess. I'm trying my best here, but this icing is not cooperating in the slightest. And I lost one of my buttons. Oh, I want my button back. Come back. You You stick on there, I command you. I've gone through too much crap to have you people jumping away. Come on, stick on there. There we go. Okay, my gummy bears are all stuck together. This is not good. Okay, there's a red one. Get on there. Well, I've done what I can. Okay, according to the package, this is what our gingerbread house is supposed to look like. And here's what I did. Nailed it! Oh my god, that is the worst gingerbread house ever. Oh, that's terrible. I didn't even get to do the back end of it because I ran out of icing. I'm sorry, but look at the gummy bears in the front. They've collapsed from exhaustion. They were standing up before. Oh dear. Okay, so I'm not going to be winning any design competitions for this, but at least on the sort of best way I can put it is at least I gave it a go. Considering this is my first attempt and that I have zero decorating skills, this isn't actually too bad on reflection, but yeah, I think I'll leave the decorating to the professionals. Alright guys, well, I just wanted to say a happy holidays, Merry Christmas and everything else to all of you guys out there. Thank you for supporting my channel in 2019, and I hope you'll be back in 2020 to check out more videos, more cooking and recipes and hideous gingerbread houses, and God knows what else will come in the new year. So lots of love to you all. Thank you very much for supporting my channel, and see you in the new year. I hope this didn't put anybody off actually trying to make a gingerbread house, because I think the fact that we're in the middle of summer here in Australia, because obviously it's summer at Christmas time and it's a very hot, very humid day, I would say that's probably part of the reason the icing wasn't cooperating, but instructions would have been nice, like proper instructions, like say literally use the icing and decorations to decorate the thing. That's not an instruction. That's like saying take the ingredients and then just bake the cake. Oh, it is too hot for this. I'm sweating. It's like 38 degrees Celsius here. That's like pushing towards 100 Fahrenheit, I think. I'm going to go and hide under the air conditioner because I'm done with this. Alright, Merry Christmas to you all. Mwah. Hope you have a great holiday season and be nice to each other. Bye!